Hi friends, welcome to Sudha Learning Hub. You are with me Shadashara. Today's session we are going to learn about serialization with respect to inheritance. Now, serialization we can achieve by using the inheritance concept also. In the serialization with respect to the inheritance, there is a two cases are available. Now I am going to discuss about case 1. If the parent class implements serializable, then automatically every child class by default implements serializable. That is, serializable nature is inheriting from parent to child. Why? Because inheritance means we are inheriting the properties from parent to child. That is the inheritance. Whenever we are our parent class is in serializable, automatically all the child classes are also serializable. I can show one example here regarding that. See this, I'm creating a class called animal. The animal is implements from serializable interface. Now after that I'm creating a dog class. It extends from animal. Whenever we are extending from the animal, automatically dogs class also serializable. After that, I'm creating a one more class. In this class, I'm creating this is the main class. This is the main class. I'm creating a object of dog class. In the object of dog class, I'm creating an object of dog class. I'm printing the d1 dot I. Why? Because I is the value. The dog is extending from the animal also. That's why d1.i prints 10 and d1.j prints 20. Now I'm doing the serialization by using file output stream and the object output stream. So I'm creating an object of file output stream with the name of abc.ser. I'm creating an object output stream. I'm giving to object output stream to file output stream. I'm writing an object dog object. After that, in the same object, I'm deserialization by using the file input stream and object input stream. I'm giving the file input stream object with the name of abc.ser. After that, I'm creating an object input stream. It takes a file input stream object. Now, read object returns dog object. I'm printing the d2.i. It prints the 10 value, and the d2.j it prints the 20 value. Here, the dog is not a serializable. Whenever animal is the serializable. Whenever parent is serializable, automatically child also serializable. Now, next I am going to discuss about case 2. In the case 2, every even though parent class doesn't implement the serializable, we can serialize the child object if the child class implements serializable interface. At the time of serialization, JVM ignores the values of instance variables which are coming from non-serializable parent JVM non-parent. JVM saves default values from those variables. At the time of deserialization, JVM checks whether any parent class is non-serializable or not. If any parent class is non-serializable, JVM creates a separate object for every non-serializable parent and shares its instance variables to the current object. For this, JVM always calls no argument constructor, means default constructor of the non-serializable parent. Hence, every non-serializable parent should compulsory contains no argument constructor, otherwise we will get runtime exception. Now, in this case, parent is not serializable and child is the serializable. Whenever we are serializing the child object, automatically parent values are neglected, means like transient variables. Now I can show one example here regarding that one. If you see this example, animal. Animal is the non-serializable object. I'm creating a default constructor. It is the mandatory. After that, I'm creating a dog object. It is extending from the animal object. Animal is the parent class and the dog is the child class. the dog is implements from the serializable interface. Now dog is the serializable object and animal is not a serializable object. If you see this one, I'm creating an object of dog. I'm putting the values d1 dot I is equal to 888 and d2 dot j is equal to 999. Now I'm serializing that object by using the file output stream and object output stream. I'm creating an object of file output stream with the name of abc.ser. After that, I'm creating an object output stream. It takes the file output stream object. I'm serializing object by using the writeObject. After that, I'm deserialize same object by using the file input stream and object input stream. I'm creating an object of file input stream with the given name of abc.ser. After that, I'm creating an object input stream. It takes the file input stream object. Now, I'm calling the read object. It returns the dog object. Now, whenever we are printing the d2.i and d2.j, it prints 10 and 999. 10 means 10 is this one. Why? Because animal is not a serializable object. That's why it shows 10. d2.j it prints 999. Why? Because the dog object is the serializable object. That's why it prints the 999. Whenever we are compiling this program, it gives output like this. Java. Java. First, it prints animal object is called, constructor is called. Whenever we are calling this, creating an object, immediately constructors will call. Why? Because here dog object constructor will call. See here, I'm creating an object of dig. Whenever we are calling the d object, it goes to dog class. It checks. After that, is there any the dog class is a check. Is there an extends another class? Is there another any another class? It is extended from the animal class. It goes to animal class. It check any default constructor is available. Now it's available. Now it prints the animal constructor is called. After coming to default dog class and is checks any constructor is available, dog constructor is called. Next that, after that, we are deserializing this object. Whenever we are deserializing this object, automatically it calls the animal. Why? Because animal object is not serializable. Finally it prints this one. See, why? Because animal constructor is called means at the time of deserialization, JVM checks whether any parent class is not serializable. Whenever we are doing this deserialization, JVM checks parent class, any parent class is not serializable. Here, animal class is not serializable or not. If any parent class is not serializable, JVM creates a separate object for every non-serializable parent and shares its instance variable to current object. Whenever we are deserializing the object, it checks parent class is serializable or not. If it is not serializable, immediately it creates an object of parent class and share it to the serializable object. Whenever you are creating an object of parent class, automatically constructor will be called. After that, the I value is available in that variable. For this, JVM always calls no argument constructor, means default constructor of that non-serializable parent. Hence, every non-serializable parent should compulsory contains no argument constructor. Otherwise, we will get the runtime exception.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care, bye bye.